So today, I will be choosing a topic from TOEFL again, and I will be speaking, giving reasons about these topics. But now, today is a little different because today there's gonna be three different questions or topics that I need to answer. And this is gonna be I need to choose a preference from two options. So I just need to choose one option from this preference. So there's three different preferences that I will read and answer, and this is going to be between from 2 to 3 minutes. Each one of them is going to be between 2 and 3 minutes. So most likely, hopefully, it's going to be 9 minutes total of all of them. Plus, I'm speaking here right now, so it's going to be probably going to take a minute or 2 minutes to talk right now. But after each topic, hopefully, will be between 2 to 3 minutes. And if I pass the time, it's alright. I'm practicing. So each topic, I will choose one. I will be giving reasons and supporting these reasons, and yeah, that will be it. So it's three different topics. So we'll be starting right now. So it says choose between cats or dogs. Why? Give you reasons. Well, I choose dogs. The dogs because they're really helpful. They help a lot. I know I feel that they're different than cats for sure, but because dogs are, I feel that they're smarter than cats because they can understand things if you train them. Of course, they are able to recognize things and gestures and movements and things that you ordained them to do. So one is I choose dogs because they're smarter than cats. They're able to understand things. And the second one is dogs are better because they give you safety. They secure you when you need. And there's a bunch of examples about that. There's a lot of people that they are grateful that they have a dog that they protect them. I heard a story about the dog. There was a dog in the family, and apparently the family left, and they left the baby on the house, in the house. They were just walking by. The parents, they went to the neighbors, I think, to talk, but they left the dog in the house, and the baby was sleeping. So what happened? The dog, I know, he loved the family, he loved the baby as well. But what happened? That day, a snake get into the house, and the parents weren't there. The snake was there, getting closer to the baby, but the dog, this true story, the dog, he tried to fight the snake. He was starting barking at the snake and stuff, and well, unfortunately, the snake bit by the dog. The dog got hurt. But if you know, like snakes, when they do that once, they need to charge again their venom, their poison. So when they do that once, they're harmless. So that what happened. The snake bit the dog, and the snake left. He couldn't defend himself anymore, but the dog was hurt. But one other thing that what happened in the story, that the dog survived, but he was really hurt. But I can see with that example that they give you safety. Dogs give you safety, but especially the babies there. Yeah. So I really like dogs because they're secure. They're smarter than cats, and they can do different things that cats can't do. So that's my first answer for the first topic. And the second one is you need to choose between black or white. Why? I would choose black. Why? Because I really like darker colors. Like I said, yeah, I love darker colors. They're for me. I mean, for me, like they the color darker colors give me more confidence. Yeah, help me to be more open, more or happy, I guess. So I can say that black define me is the color that define me. I really like darker color, not just black, but darker color. Like right now, this color, for example, is navy blue. I really like darker colors. And the reason why also another reason is because when you wear it, people they won't care at all, like because it's not flashy. It's not a flashy color. And, well, first giving me confidence. Plus, people won't care because it's not that flashy. So that is the other reason. And the third reason about that, wearing black color, is because uh, darker colors is most is more is useful. No things you can use it whenever you want, wherever you want, and people won't care. Like you go to a classroom or you go to some other places, I want you to like look around you and you will see like the the 90% of the people are wearing black, and it's because black is it's a color that can match everything and can help. It can I don't know. It's, black is everywhere, so it's pretty easy and pretty useful. Everybody use it. So I really like black because give me confidence, give confidence to other people. Probably you can use it wherever you want, whenever you want, and plus you can you can use it whenever. So the next one, the last one, is choose between the weather is cold or hot, and why. I would choose cold weather. Like I said, colors define you, but when it comes to be also to the season type of season, prefer uh, cold because I don't know, I feel like uh, in the cold weather, the sky or the environment is darker. I don't know what it is, but yeah, it's give you an impression of a different color. You know, yeah, I said I really like a dark environment, so I really like uh, cold because one is you need to get warmer and put some suit or coat, and you will be fine. And also because I like the season as well. When it's cold, you got either you got rain uh, or you got snow. I really like both. I like how it rains. I really like how to be around rain, but also snow is so fun. Like for example, Christmas when it's cold, is people wanna. Oh, I mean, kids and some people wanna play in the snow because it's fun. So, but when we come to talk about the heat or the hot, it's not acceptable for me. It's different, you know, it's brighter, so I can do whatever I want. That and so I'll choose cold weather because I really like uh, spend time in the cold weather, but also like the season, like how it looks like, how we can do different things in this type of season, and how 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 can be this different than other seasons. And cold weather is like you don't have the cold weather for the whole season, so it's different. I like that. I like things that are different as well because help us to change and to grow. So, so I really like the cold weather finally because uh, help you to do other things. Check and change your schedule. There you go. I don't know, give you a sense of a dark color, like I said, to a different type of environment for me. And finally, the other one is because I like the weather. I like this. I like snow. I like the rain. So I really like those type of weathers, different things that happen there. So I really like the cold. So summary all the three things that I mentioned. I prefer dogs because they're smarter and they can do other things that cat can do. The other one, the color, I really like black color and darker color because they're you can use them wherever you want. And finally, I like the cold weather because of give you a different sense of environment.